Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm making moist zucchini oat muffins filled with wholesome ingredients including walnuts and coconut flakes. These muffins are perfect as a gluten-free snack or for a quick breakfast to go. Let me show you what ingredients I've used to make these delicious muffins. I'm using half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of coconut flakes, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of apple puree, 1 cup of rice flour, and in this I also have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 egg, some vanilla extract, a zucchini, and 2.5 mashed bananas. My bananas look kind of funny because I like to freeze my bananas as they ripen, so they look still a little stiff, but they're going to come to room temperature and be perfect for this recipe. By the way, the walnuts, coconut, chia, and flax seeds are completely optional ingredients to make this more nutritious. You could leave these out, and also the vanilla extract to make some really simple gluten-free zucchini muffins. Up to you. I start preparing the muffins by washing and grating the zucchini, adding the egg, the apple puree, and the vanilla extract, and combining it with a spatula or a spoon. My bananas are now at room temperature, so I'm going to add them to this moist mixture. Then over to the dry components, I'm going to combine the rice flour, baking powder, and baking soda. And I'm just going to pour all the dry ingredients into the moist ones. So the rice flour, chia seeds, flax seeds, rolled oats, coconut flakes, and the walnuts. Just gonna combine this, and I'm pretty much ready with my muffin batter. Now I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm going to prepare the cupcake liners or the muffin liners, and I'm just using some simple white ones. Then each muffin is going to be filled with a 1/4 measuring cup. Out they go, and 25 minutes later, perfectly they come back. So because we added the zucchinis to this, these muffins are super moist, but they don't taste like zucchinis. They don't taste like a vegetable. They're perfect. They're hearty, they're filling, and they're healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.